What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. All right, guys, today on the agenda, we have a lifetime giveaway at the end. So please make sure you're subscribed and hit the like button. I'm going to go through the weekly recap with the day trades, 80 points, $4,000 a contract. Swing trades, I was able to trail at $1,620. We're going to do the market outlook. And again, reminder for the $50 and $500 cash giveaway. I'll talk a little bit about that at the end. All right. So if you're ready, my friends, welcome. Thank you for joining me on Sunday. Let's step into the war zone and let me give you the education that you deserve. All right. Hit me with a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear. Dr. D, what's going on, brother? Jamal, what's going on, brother? Terrence, what's going on, brother? Welcome to the Trading Wars Army, Terrence. Let's welcome Terrence in with the TW Army Spy VIP. Boom. Johnny, what's going on? All right. Master of Essence, what's going on, brother? All right. So we'll start off today with the day trading recap, okay? And I'm going to show you guys something that's extremely powerful. And this whole market has been all about the pre-market, all right? Everything that we're seeing going on these days, guys, is happening overnight. That's been the trend this year. It's all overnight trading, all overnight price action, all overnight manipulation, all right? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you how we're using the pre-market to take a lot of these trades, okay? So we're going to start off here with Monday, all right? So here is Monday, guys. Here is the 930 candle is right here, okay? So here's the 930 candle on Monday. You could see the range for Monday. I'm going to go ahead and just draw a box around it. It was really, really tight range, okay? Very, very tight range on Monday. So how were we able to still make 20 points on the pre-market Fibonacci, walking away with 20 points is $1,000 on a full contract? So how were we able to do this? Okay. So what I want to show you now, guys, is we're going to go over to the overnight futures price action, and we're going to go to Monday. All right. And we're going to go to the 9:30 a.m. open, which is right here. This is the 9:30 a.m. open. Okay. So there's the 9:30 a.m. open. If we go to SPY, that's the same candle right here. Okay, so that's that candle right there. Okay. So what we don't see on the SPY chart is if we look at the futures chart, guys, there was a low that was established at 4:25 a.m. All right. And if we take our Fibonacci from that low at 4:25 a.m. and we bring it up to the high going into the open, which was right here at 9 a.m. This right here, guys, creates our Fibonacci pullback setup. All right, so we're going to go ahead here. Let's take this arrow. Here's our low to our high. So this candle is the 9:40 a.m. candle. So this is the candle we ended up going long on. I'll go ahead and I'll show you guys the live callouts. So I'm going to go to April 8th. Just want to make sure you guys know this is not hindsight. It's all live trading that we do. Okay, so here's April 8th. Good morning. So we went long at 9:40 a.m. on this candle right here on SPY. But if you look at futures, it's actually a 618 pullback. All right. So we went long on the 618 and then we took it into the new high of day. That's our ultimate big picture target. And as soon as we get that new high of day, guys, we are scaling and taking profits, because as you see, guys, a lot of the times the rookie traders get trapped when they buy the breakout and we have a huge fade. Okay. And then I'll just show you right here. Target hit, home run, send the boom. All right. So if you look at SPY, however, guys, there is no rhyme or reason to why you would want to go long right here. So there's no particular reason why you would want to go long right there. However, if you look at the futures on Monday, you could see we had a low at 4:25 a.m. So this is the type of things that are happening in the market these days, is lows, pivots are being established at 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 2 a.m., 1 a.m., 3 a.m. There's a lot of key players that are trying to set the market before the market opens. Okay, hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. All right, so that's what I've been seeing all year. So that's for my day trading. You're going to see we hit another massive winner on Thursday, but this is what we've been doing, is setting up your anchors coming into the pre-market. What's your low? What's your high? Right at the open, looking for those opportunities. Sometimes we're getting in a little bit before the market even opens so that we can take advantage of those pivots. All right. So Monday, 20 points, $1,000. All right. Let's go to Tuesday now. So Tuesday is the same setup, but this one was a loser and we ended up losing 5 points. So I'll show you that. So here's Tuesday. So again, same thing. If you look at this price action, there's no real pullback to trade. However, let's go to Tuesday at the market open. So here again, so here's Tuesday, guys. Here, right here, 6:40 a.m., there was a low made. The high was made at 9:25 a.m., 9:30 a.m., the first candle of the day. We ended up trying long on the 618, and then you can see it blew right through. So we ended up losing 5 points. This is the identical setup to Monday. But what you'll see is because on Monday we made 20 points, if you lose 5 points on Tuesday, guys, that's a 4-to-1 risk to reward. You're still, that doesn't matter, okay? Because you are protecting yourself for another 3 or 4 trades. That's the power of risk to reward. So if we hop here on Tuesday, minus 5 points, minus 250, the important note is risk to reward. If you have a 2-to-1 risk to reward, you only need to win 34% of the time. 3-to-1 risk to reward, you only need to win 26% of the time. Hit me with a 17 if that makes sense. All right. So what you'll see, guys, is it's not like every single day you're going to come in and draw the pre-market low and high and it's going to be amazing. That's not going to happen. But what you have to understand is when you're right, you're going to see, I'm going to show you something on Thursday. When you're right, guys, you make as much money as you can. And when you're wrong, you get out the way and you take a stop loss. So we're going to move on here. So Wednesday, we ended up getting out at break even. We had a Fibonacci from low to high. You could see over here, we got filled on the 618 and then we popped right back up. So we ended up taking this one for break even. So Wednesday was a wash day. And then Thursday was our home run day. Over 70 points in one day, guys. Let me show you this, okay? So again, so you might look right here at this is the 9:30 a.m. You might say, hey, Rich, where do I go long on this day? Where do I go long? Guys, we ended up going long right here on the bottom. But how? How do we know to do that? Let's go over to futures. Let's go over to Thursday. Okay, so Thursday, 9:30 a.m. right here, guys. Look at this. Okay, so this was the PPI news. So here is the PPI news Thursday at 8:30 a.m. So we drew our Fibonacci, same setup, low to high. Took our 618 entry. This candle, this double inside bar pattern is the same one you see right here. So we knew to get long over here based on the PPI low at 8:30 a.m. And that was the news that they had in the market on that day. And let me just fast forward to the 11th, and I will show you the live callouts here. So here is the 11th, and then you can see $300 when we initially got long, $658. Really, really nice pop up here. You could see target hit, home run, bang. Okay, but look at this runner here, guys. So from this 618, look at this rip right here, 70 points on one contract. That's $3,500. Okay. And I have, I wrote a lesson for you guys, lesson 3 on my website, tradingwars.com/resources, the pre-market. Okay. Read this. If you have not read this, read this. This is called pre-market hacking. I'm going to send this right here for you guys. Download this completely free. Okay. tradingwars.com/resources. It's so important to understand the levels of the pre-market. It's the hidden hand in the market. All right, guys. All right. So that one was another massive runner. And I want to shout out on Thursday. So on Thursday, you guys see the screen share channel. We had about 75 people in the channel live on Thursday after the PPI news. And we took this trade on Thursday together. We called it out step by step and we took it together. And the best feeling for me is being able to do that live in front of my community and my people. Because if you don't do it live, guys, it's not really real. You know what I mean? So we're able to take that one live. And at my peak last week, guys, I'm going to show you. Where are we? Up here. So at my peak last week, my friends. So at my peak here, guys, we had so we had this one that we sold for 1620. I'm going to walk you through that right now. And then we also had that one contract here that we had here, guys, was up about $1,500. So we only took half a contract, half a full size. We took about 4 micros with this one. All right. And then finally on Friday, we ended up taking a full stop, minus 10 points. And overall, with those points, still roughly 80 points. If you played it a little better than I did, then you would still have been able to walk away with about 100 points. But I did make one or two, I wouldn't say mistakes, but I could have cut my losses a little bit earlier. But I'm still happy that one trade here, guys, on Thursday ended up paying for the whole week. So the main takeaway that I want to tell you is when you're trading, there's going to be one or two trades, maybe a month, or one trade a week, or one trade or two trades every 2 weeks that are just going to be home run trades. And when you hit those trades, make sure you get paid. Don't be scared to take some profits and let some runners run for you guys. Okay. Hit me with the 17 if that makes sense. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap over to the big picture swing trades. Okay. So we also have been calling this one out. All right. So the first thing that I want to do, I'm on the 4-hour chart here, and I'm going to start off very, very step by step with you guys. I want to teach you guys how to do the analysis for the swing trades. Okay. So what I'm going to show you here, guys, every single thing is a Fibonacci. You guys need to understand this whole market, my friends, is all about fibs. Everything is about Fibonacci. What do you guys think algos are? They're math. Math is Fibonacci. Math is ratios. Okay. Forget about math. What about where we're going with virtual reality? We're going with Chat GPT. We're going with all these new things. They're all mathematical, guys. Math is beautiful. It's something that can learn. All right. Math is something that can be programmed. It's a ratio. It's harmonic. It's natural. Okay. If you look at certain patterns in nature, there's different ratios. You look at patterns on a butterfly. You know what I'm saying? So when you see the same things happening in the market, that's when you start to put 2 and 2 together, and you start to get crazy goosebumps, and you start to understand what's really going on here. What's really going on here, guys, is the institutions, the robots that are a lot smarter than we are using mathematical formulas to enter and exit. Okay. That's what I come down to. All right. So this is Sunday. Okay. So this is Sunday. So this is where we opened last week. And this right here was the price action for the week. All right. So the first thing is I ended up taking a trailing stop loss on my long for $1,620.50. So I'll show you where that long was. Okay. So if I come off of this low to high, I ended up getting long on the 618 right here. And then you could see that we popped up. And what I did here, guys, is I'm going to show you, I used a trailing stop loss. And so we started off on the 618, and then I moved it below this candle, and then I moved it up here. And then eventually this candle ended up taking me out. So $1,620.50 on that. And then in the Fibonacci Society, just so you guys see, so you guys can see in here. So this was it. This is why we use a trailing stop loss, etc. So I was walking everyone through the trade step by step on the swing. So now these two trades that I'm going to show you, I did not take. All right. But I just want to show you the beauty of fibs. The reason I did not take this short trade right here, guys, was because I was already in the long trade. All right. So I couldn't sell my position and go short. I could have taken maybe NQ short, but at that time I was very focused on the long. So I'm going to show you guys this now. Okay. So watch closely. So this was the high Wednesday at 6 a.m. Watch this. Okay. If we come off of the high of the month, so this is basically April's high. Okay. Come off of this right here, high to low. Look at this beautiful 618 rejection. Okay. Now watch this. I'm going to blow your mind. I'm going to double click on this and I'm going to put the full. Okay. Look at this, guys. This right here, every single time I see this, I've seen this for years and years and years. It doesn't fail but to give me goosebumps. 618 rejection into a 272 extension, and then we pop. Okay. The pop doesn't have to be a huge pop, but it's just so systematic. I see it on so many times. Go to a 1 minute chart, go to any stock, you'll see the same pattern. 618 pullback to a 272 extension. Okay. So we came in here, guys, 618, bam. Okay. As soon as we tapped it, algos came in, short that thing straight down to the 272. And that's where they're looking to cover some profits. All right. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. And then from there, not only did we have this pattern. So this pattern is actually a Fibonacci harmonics. If we come high, low, pullback, low, boom. So there we go. That's a Fibonacci harmonic pattern right there. If we come off of this high and then we bring it down to this low, watch this now, high to low. Look at this, boom. another 618 rejection. Do you guys see this one right here? And what makes this one even more beautiful is right on the 618, we have an outside bar confirmation. So if you don't want to take, if you're too scared to just short on the level, what do we have on this level? We have a inverted hammer, spinning top. We have an inside bar. We have an outside bar. This is the 4-hour chart, guys. This is not, you know, a 1 minute chart. This is the real deal. Okay. And you can see right here, my friends, look at all of this stalling, and then bang, outside bar comes in short below, boom, take it straight down. Okay, hit me with the 17 if that makes sense. So it was beautiful. I did not catch any of those shorts because, like I said, I was in the long and I got out of the long, and then these came in really early in the morning. Okay, so look, so this one right here was 2 a.m. Okay, so I couldn't catch that unless I had the order waiting. But I just want to show you guys every single thing is a Fibonacci. And I challenge you, whatever you're doing, whatever strategy you're doing, go and look at the fibs. You're going to be surprised. All right. Let's go ahead right here. Let's wrap this up. All right. So market outlook right now, even look at this. Here's NVIDIA, guys, right on the 618 on the daily. It touched the daily and it popped right up. So there's an inside bar on NVIDIA. So this is the play I'm going to be looking for tomorrow. Tesla, same thing. Holy Grail setup right here. Another inside bar close. I will be looking for Tesla for breakouts, NVIDIA and Tesla for breakouts this week, my friends. All right. There's also going to be a $50 cash giveaway and a $500 cash giveaway. So what I need you guys to do is hit the like, hit the subscribe right now. And please, at the end of this video, comment Fib King. Okay. So the $50 giveaway I'm going to do by the end of this month, and the $500 giveaway, I'm going to do it sometime this year. I'm not sure when, but I want to build some hype around it. Okay. So cash giveaways are coming out for the people. All right. So this is what we're going to do right now. We're going to do the lifetime giveaway, and then we're going to wrap this up. All right. All right. So right here. So go ahead and leave a comment right now on this post if you haven't. Okay. When you're done, hit me with a 7. I'm going to hit the refresh button, and the third comment. Okay. The third comment after I hit the refresh button is going to be the winner. All right. So I want to give you guys a chance. Hit me when you're done. Please check out tradingwars.com/resources. This day trading university, lesson 1 to 5 is absolutely beautiful. Okay. So I'm going to put this together, my friends, and I'm going to put this into a master playlist. All right. So let me know when you guys are done. All right, let's do this. Okay. 3, 2, 1, refresh. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right, so the winner is Jamal Official Life 91. Okay, so Jamal, I'm pretty sure you're in the chat right now because it says 15 seconds ago. And I feel pretty bad because this brother right here, I called him out just now and he said that's me. And I think he misunderstood that I was going to refresh. So I'm just going to do 2 lifetime giveaway winners today. That's me, brother. You are the winner, as well as Jamal. If you're in the chat right now, hit me with a 10, Jamal. Is this you, Jamal? Is this you? So congratulations to the winners. Please, guys, don't forget to comment. I am giving back. That is my goal. That's how I grow. I'm not the guy. I don't get put over, guys. Okay. I don't get put over. You're not going to hear about me. You're not going to hear about me on, your favorite YouTuber's channel. You're not, because I'm a real trader. All right. I'm not out here saying I took $100 to $1 million. I'm not out here saying I went on Wall Street and taking pictures and buying a $5 million houses for my family. I'm a real trader. This is what I do. You're not going to hear about me on anybody's channel. So what you need to do to support me is this. This is what I do. I give you a reason to watch my channel. I give you cash giveaways. I give you lifetime. Whatever I can give, I will give. And all I need you to do is hit the like button and hit the subscribe. Okay? Because like I said, there's nobody pushing me over, guys. This is all me trying to come over on my own through the content that I give, through the real struggles that I do as a trader. Okay. And the only reason that I'm here is because of the Fibonacci. It's the only thing that makes sense. It's the only thing that works for me in trading. Otherwise, I would give up on this and just invest my money. Okay. Fibonacci, there's really is an edge there, but you have to understand and you have to put in the work. All right. That's it, my friends. Check me out at tradingwars.com. Like I said, guys, we're doing the screen share, which has been the biggest improvement this year in my Discord, where we go live. That Thursday trade we took together, This one right here was all called out live, and we also do the the text. Sorry, we do text as well. If you're not able, if you're at work, I understand. Check me out, tradingwars.com, my friends, if you're interested. So what I'll do as a little promotion here. So if you want lifetime access right here, my friends, to the Fib Society, okay? So no, you know what? Let's just do this. All right. So let's go here to the bundle. So a lot of people want to work with me one-on-one, and they want all 4 of my books and lifetime access to the Discord. Okay. So here you go. All 4 lifetime access plus access to the screen share and all that. So it's normally $800, includes one-on-one with me. We'll do 50% off. It'll be $399. Email me, rich@tradingwars.com. If you want to take part on that, work one-on-one with me, etc. If not, don't worry. Follow the YouTube, follow the Twitter. We'll get there together. All right. Thanks. Take care, my friends. I appreciate you. Have a good day.